Hi guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a kids product review. So in case you guys are looking for a toy car which is like battery operated, then definitely this review will help you. So it's a RC car, battery operated, and it has. So let's open it and see how this car looks and how it works. Look at the packaging. The packaging is really nice. Oh wow. This is the car. Oh my god. This is like a really great package. See? Oh wow. And it can go with like any surfaces, so that's the great part of this one. It's really great quality, you can see. Like, so these are the things I got. Here's the user manual book, and here is wow. So these are this is the battery I got, and this is for charging the battery. So you can charge the battery like this way, and in this thing you can plug it in the USB computer or laptop, anywhere you can plug it. So it's super easy, and this is the screw they have given. Let's open this thing. The screw they have given me. This is the extra battery, so I'm not using this one. I'm using this one, so I'm connecting these two ends. Okay, let's close the lid on this screw. So here is the turn on and turn off switch. When I turn it on, you can see the light is blinking, and turn off, light is off. And here is the remote control part. You can see the remote control needs some battery, so I am using some battery. So it needs 4 battery, so the battery is not included, so you have to add battery like this way. And now you can turn it on, and you can see the light is blinking, and here we can turn it on and the light is blinking. So now, oh wow. Yeah, it's really cool. way you can do reverse, and this way you can do forward. So this is backward, this is forward, this is forward, and this way you can turn left.
Okay.
So the kids will definitely enjoy it. I really love this car. So in case you guys are looking for a remote control toy car for your kids, definitely you can take it. It's like the build quality is really nice and it's really fun. And in this way you can do it like forward and backward. And in this thing you can make it like really left and right. So in case you guys are looking for toy car, you can check it in Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box so you can check there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.